Are you gonna dance? Dance, 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 dance. Yeah. Well, where are you going? Maddie? Uh-oh. Maddie, you don't want more goldfish? Do you want to finish your snack? She's like, well, what'd you say? Come on, I have more. Smack, 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 smack. Are you gonna find more snacks in your pool bag? Yeah, no, those are not for you. Those were Daddy's. Sorry, baby. Really? Doritos? I don't think so. Oh, Maddie. Here. Come on, at least the goldfish are whole grain. We're gonna have the goldfish. Here, Mommy has some. Maddie. Maddie. I have some right here. Maddie, look. Maddie. Maddie. That's enough. Come here. Maddie. Maddie, look. Oh. I was hoping to catch that on camera. There we go. Oh, come here. Maddie, look. I have some. Look. Put them on the table. Is that all better? Yes. Yeah. I think your hair might look a little silly. Oh. It's okay. Yeah? Yes, dear. You ready to go to the grocery store? What? You're gonna get a cookie? You wanna go to the grocery store? Maybe. Yeah? Okay, we do have to go. Say bye, Maddie. Bye. Bye.